In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Slack. We all know how essential Slack is for team communication, but occasionally there's a need to manage the members within your workspace, whether it's because someone is leaving the team or any other reason. So, let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through the steps to do this in just a few minutes. First, fire up your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's website. Once you're there, you have a couple of options to log in. Either enter your email to sign in directly, or if you prefer, you can use your Google or Apple account for a smoother, quicker login experience. Whichever method you choose, just make sure you're accessing the correct Slack account associated with your workspace. After logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Here, you'll want to focus on choosing the specific workspace from which you need to remove a member. You can do this by clicking on the name of the workspace that's usually displayed prominently on your dashboard. Next, look for the small down arrow beside the name of your selected workspace. Clicking this reveals a drop-down menu with various options. From here, select Manage Members. This action leads you to a comprehensive list of all the current members of the workspace, providing an overview of who's in your team. Now, scroll through this list until you find the member you intend to remove. Next to their information, you should see an option to edit their profile. Once you're in the profile settings, locate and click on the button that says Deactivate Account. This step is crucial as it effectively removes the individual from the workspace. However, keep in mind that removing someone from a Slack workspace should be done with careful consideration. It's a good practice to ensure that all parties are informed appropriately before carrying out this task, as deactivating an account can impact ongoing projects or communication threads this person might be involved in. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully removed someone from Slack. It's an important task to master if you're managing a workspace, as it helps to keep your team organized and ensures that only active, necessary members have access to your workspace's channels and resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below or check out our other videos for additional guidance.